Hello, my name is Ramar, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing for a new camera that I just purchased. It is a Nikon ZF, and I purchased this from Adorama, so we're going to have a look at this and see how good this looks. I've seen a lot of praise about this, especially the build quality, and I actually wanted to try this out. So I usually use a Lumix camera for video. I wanted to get into more photography focused cameras, and this is the first one I'm going to try, especially purely using manual lenses and seeing how that goes on. So I have a few M-mount lenses, and I would try to use those on these, especially with the manual focus assist that you get with this, because you can find your eyes automatically, and the goal is to try that out and see how that goes. So I'm going to take you guys with unboxing this. Got some papers, bubble wrap, the Nikon ZF. Okay, we get a USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. So they stopped giving chargers in these, and that's across all brands, not just Nikon. I think Sony started it, everybody's doing it now, except for Canon. They still provide you chargers, doesn't matter what you buy. In one way it's good, because you're producing less plastic, so less carbon footprint, but in other ways it's bad. But this is the camera itself. Let's look at what else we have inside here. Got the battery. Don't have another Nikon, so this is the first Nikon, so I gotta charge it. It is a sort of smaller strap, so essentially you could wear this. It's not a really hefty strap, and it kind of fits the street photography vibe, so that's a good thing. Alright, let's beautiful. So the sensor here is, because of the IBIS, the sensor does move, so you would hear these rattling sounds, and that's normal. That's how it's supposed to be. The dials are made of brass, so they sound really good. It's very tactile. I do not have any Nikon lenses as of right now. I do have a few manual focus lenses, and I have some M-mount lenses. I am waiting on an adapter to come through. I should have that today, so probably later in the evening I will take it out for some super retro light lens labs, manual focus, 50mm Cook Prankro lens shoot with this. It looked epic. So I've shot a lot of Sony before and for me Nikon is everything is opposite. So you actually have two memory card slots. You have a regular SD and you have a micro SD. The micro SD could be like your dedicated memory. So if you get like a 500GB micro SD card, if you can put them inside here and it would act like an internal SD card, an internal memory for your camera, and you don't have to ever take it out. You can just put it in there and keep it in there. That's going to be your overflow or your backup. You can store your JPEGs in there and do everything in RAW out here, so you can do all that. I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to get like a 500GB SD card, a micro SD card, put that inside over there and just keep it intact permanently. While for the other one is the one that I'm going to keep all the raw files in, so I'll see if I can try to get that split up. Alright, let's see if it boots on. And that's a negative, but the buttons feel amazing. This is the Nikon ZF.